Shiba Inu, every single hour, we're always getting about 3,000 brand new holders. The amount of new holders joining into the Shiba Inu crew is crazy. Do not buy coins that have a decreasing number of holders, and don't buy coins where the holder count increases very slowly. Always buy coins where there's a lot of people holding and it's growing on an exponential rate. On top of that, Shiba Inu is breaking records. Market cap is bigger than Doge, bigger than XRP, and bigger than the Robinhood app, which is the brokerage that probably will be listing them. And on top of that, the volume is way higher than Bitcoin. Bitcoin's volume is at 40 billion, Shiba Inu 42.7 billion. Absolutely insane. Now, if you zoom a little bit closer into the technical analysis pattern, you do see Shiba Inu going all the way up. Like I said before, if you see a massive exponential rise, you will always get a massive pullback, which is exactly what Shiba Inu is doing. Now let's go back to the 5-minute interval. I know a lot of you guys are a little bit scared about what's going on with Shiba Inu, but it seems like the floor value has already been established. I think most investors agree that Shiba Inu shouldn't drop below 6.3, and you clearly see this massive V shape. You do have it testing it 3 consecutive times over here, and you clearly see this massive area here. On top of that, we do see Shiba Inu going up to 8.2, meaning that it is pretty comfortable near all-time high prices, but at the same time, it can't really stabilize there. So we have a pretty massive dump, but the moment it dropped below 6.3, a pretty decent rebound, and a whole entire flock of green volume jumped in. So the chance of a Shiba Inu dump is very small. I say this is just simply a slight correction, and as long as Shiba Inu just forms a pretty decent triangle consolidation like this, because the volume is decreasing. If the volume is increasing, we have a big problem in our hands, because guess what? That means a lot of holders are probably selling or doing some really sketchy stuff. But as long as the volume could somewhat consolidate around this area and form a triangle, we should be seeing a huge surge in Shiba Inu coin. And the reason why is because Shiba Inu does have a tendency of forming these consolidation triangles with a decreasing volume, and it usually leads to a pretty massive pump every single time. I think this has happened like 5 times at this point. I can outline all these consolidation triangles and decreasing volume, and you get the idea. Consolidation, decreasing volume, great sign, because now big whales are eyeing Shiba Inu and they're ready to inject a bunch of money in.